In a world inundated with possessions and distractions, the pursuit of joy and tranquility within our living spaces has become a cherished endeavor. At the forefront of this movement is the KonMari Method, an innovative approach to decluttering introduced by the renowned organizational expert, Marie Kondo. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unravel the transformative journey of decluttering with joy. The KonMari Method in practice. By breaking down the process into 10 key principles, we'll explore each step of this life-changing method and discover how it can revolutionize your living space. One. Spark joy. Unleashing the magic within each possession. At the very heart of the KonMari Method lies a charming and transformative principle. The quest to find joy in every nook and cranny of your home. Imagine embarking on a treasure hunt within your living space. Holding each possession in your hands and whimsically asking, does it bring you genuine happiness? By curating a collection that sparks joy, you're not just decluttering, you're orchestrating a symphony of positivity and purpose that will resonate throughout your home. Two. Tidying by category. Bid farewell to the conventional room-by-room tidying routine. The KonMari Method invites you to dance through your living space by tidying up in delightful categories. Begin with the playful rumba of clothing, then twirl into the tango of books, cha-cha through papers, swing into Komono's Miscellaneous, and waltz gracefully with sentimental items. This systematic choreography ensures that every dimension of your living space experiences the liberating rhythms of decluttering. Creating a harmonious and clutter-free haven. Three. Clothing. A fashionable affair with joy. Enter the glamorous world of your wardrobe as you initiate your decluttering journey with clothing. Every piece becomes a runway star as you hold it in your hands, evaluating its potential to spark joy. This process is not just about decluttering, it's about crafting a wardrobe that echoes joy. Cultivates confidence, and leaves you strutting through life with style and purpose. Four. Books. A literary waltz through joyful pages. Let the pages of your life turn joyfully as you waltz through the category of books. Each book becomes a literary dance partner, and with each consideration. You keep only those that inspire joy and hold the promise of future enjoyment. This step transforms your space into a library of aspirations, a sanctuary of stories that align with your dreams. Five. Papers. Crafting mental clarity through the paper Tango. In the rhythmic dance of decluttering, papers take center stage as a significant source of clutter and stress. Engage in the paper tango by categorizing them into the suspenseful pending, the crucial important, and the unpredictable miscellaneous. With each discarded unnecessary document, you're crafting a space that harmonizes with mental clarity and efficiency. Six. Komono, miscellaneous items. A whimsical carnival of possessions. Step right up to the whimsical carnival of Komono, where every category is a carousel of joy. Approach each subcategory with a mindful gaze, evaluating the joy each item brings. This meticulous process transforms every corner of your living space into a carnival of delight. Leaving only items that contribute to your well-being. A joyful feast for the senses. Seven. Sentimental items. Nurturing emotions in the sentimental waltz. Enter the emotionally charged realm of sentimental items. Where each possession is a dance partner in the sentimental waltz. Keep only those items that spark joy and positive emotions, creating a designated space to showcase. And appreciate these cherished possessions regularly. This step is not just about decluttering, it's a tender celebration of memories and sentimentality. 8. Visualize your ideal lifestyle. Crafting your joyful vision board. Before the grand finale of the decluttering process, take center stage to visualize your ideal lifestyle. In this moment, create a mental vision board that guides you. Ensuring that the items you keep align with your vision of joy, simplicity, and a life that resonates with your most whimsical aspirations. 9. Decluttering as a mindful practice. A serenade to gratitude. Approach the decluttering act as a mindful practice. Express appreciation for each item, whether it stays or bids farewell. This mindful dance fosters a profound sense of appreciation. Making the decluttering process a meaningful and melodious endeavor. 10. Sustainable discarding. The eco-friendly tango of letting go. Conclude your decluttering symphony with the eco-friendly tango of sustainable discarding. Consider the environmental impact of parting ways with items. Opting for the graceful movements of donation or recycling whenever possible. The KonMari Method isn't just a dance of joy, it's a celebration of responsible and sustainable practices that resonate far beyond the walls of your home. The KonMari Method is not merely a tidying technique, it's a philosophy that promotes a life infused with joy and purpose. By systematically applying the principles of sparking joy, tidying by category, and embracing mindful practices, individuals can transform their living spaces into havens of positivity and tranquility. The journey of decluttering with joy leads to enhanced well-being, increased productivity, and improved relationships. Ultimately fostering a more intentional and fulfilling lifestyle. In the pursuit of a joyful and clutter-free life, the KonMari Method stands as a guiding light. By focusing on what sparks joy, tidying by category, and adopting mindful practices, Individuals can revolutionize their living spaces and cultivate an environment that reflects their true selves. The principles outlined in this guide provide a roadmap to not just decluttering but to a transformative lifestyle change. Embrace the KonMari Method, declutter with joy, and witness the profound impact it has on your living space.